Hello friends, welcome in the fifth lecture of discrete probability and probability distribution. In the last lecture, we have seen addition theorem of probability. So in this lecture, we are going to see the extension of addition theorem of probability and some inequalities on probability. Theorem number 6 is this theorem is the extension of addition theorem of probability. If three events are there, if A, B and C are any three events defined on omega, then probability of A union B union C is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C minus probability of B intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the addition theorem for three events. Write the proof. We start by LHS, that is probability of A union B union C. So which is equal to, if I take B union C as a D, so I will get probability of A union D, and let B union C is the event D. So we know the addition theorem for two events. So I can write this as probability of A plus probability of D minus probability of A intersection D. And then I put here the value of D, P of A plus P of B union C minus P of A intersection, and I put the value of D, that is B union C. So which is equal to P of A plus, so by addition theorem B union C I can write as probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of B intersection C, and here minus in bracket I can write this as a probability of A intersection B union with A intersection C, then which is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C, minus here A intersection B I take as a E union with F. So this A intersection C I take as a F, and again I apply addition theorem on two events, that is E and F. So you get P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus in bracket P of E, addition theorem, P of F minus P of E intersection F. Then by putting the value of E and F we get, so which is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus, so my E is, so here we take E as A intersection B, correct, and your F is A intersection C. So I again put the values E and F as it is, so you get P of A intersection B here minus P of A intersection C, and this minus into this minus is plus P of A intersection B intersection with A intersection C. So which is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C, and I write this in sequence, that is minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus P of B intersection C, and here A intersection with A is A, so I can write this as probability of A intersection B intersection C only. So this is the addition theorem for three events A, B and C. In general, the addition theorem for n events is, so generalization of this addition theorem is, so first we write the addition of all n terms. So probability of for any events A1, A2 dash up to AN on omega. So probability of A1 union A2 union dash up to union over AN is equal to. So here we first add all these, that is P of A1 plus P of A2 plus dash up to plus P of AN. After that there is intersection of two terms, and in that case if A1 is there, then A2 and A3, so here is C. So minus summation over I is less than J is going from 1 to up to N, probability of AI intersection AJ. Then again combination of three terms, so plus summation over I is less than J is less than K is going from 1 to up to N, probability of AI intersection AJ intersection AK. And for four terms I can write this as summation over I is less than J is less than K is less than R going from 1 to N, P of AI intersection AJ intersection AK intersection AR, plus last term for this addition theorem is, here if you see for the two terms plus minus sign will be there, means if n is even then the term is negative, that's why the last term is minus 1 raised to n minus 1, and probability of, so last term is the intersection of all the combinations, so A1 intersection A2 intersection dash up to AN. So this is the generalization of addition theorem of probability. Theorem number 7 is, that is Boole's inequality. If A and B are any two events defined on omega, then probability of A union B is less than equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So to write the proof of this, we prove this by addition theorem of probability. We know probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So here this is the addition theorem of probability, and we know probability of A intersection B is always greater than equal to 0. If I remove this part, then you get the answer, probability of A intersection B is less than equal to P of A plus P of B. So this is the proof of Boole's inequality. Then there is an extension of this Boole's inequality, that is your theorem number 8, and the statement of theorem number 8 is if a1 a2 dash up to an are n events then probability of union over i's going from 1 to up to n ai is less than equal to summation over i's going from 1 to up to n probability of ai. So the meaning of this is probability of a1 union a2 union dash up to union an is less than equal to p of a1 plus p of a2 plus dash up to plus p of an. So to prove this, we prove this by mathematical induction. By mathematical induction. So first step, for n is equal to 2. So first we prove by for n is equal to 2. So by addition theorem we know probability of a1 union a2 is equal to probability of a1 plus probability of a2 minus probability of a1 intersection a2. But if I remove this part, we know probability of a1 intersection a2 is greater than equal to 0. If I remove this probability, so I'll get probability of a1 plus probability of a2, which is less than equal to, because this part is subtracted. So if we remove this positive part, so this will be greater term. So therefore result is true for n is equal to 2. So this is the first step of mathematical induction. Then second step, we assume result is true for n is equal to m. Means what? Probability of union over I is going from 1 to up to m ai is less than equal to summation over I is going from 1 to up to m probability of ai. Correct? And so this is my equation number 2. Then our aim is to prove that result for, so to prove result for n is equal to m plus 1. So we start by LHS and try to get the RHS. So we start probability of union over I is going from 1 to m plus 1 ai. So which is equal to, so I can write this as probability of union over I is going from 1 to up to m ai, and one more term, that is am plus 1. Why I write this? Because we use this equation number 2 here, so that's why. And if I write this as a d, union over I is going from 1 to up to m ai, if I write this as a d, so I'll get probability of d union am plus 1. And we know the condition is true for two events a1 and a2. So I can write this as probability of d plus probability of am plus 1. Correct? So this is by condition 1. So we already proved the result for 2 events. So which is less than equal to probability of, what is your D? D is union over I is going from 1 to m ai plus probability of am plus 1, which is less than equal to. So by equation number 2, probability of union over I is going from 1 to up to m ai, that term is less than equal to this term. So I can replace, because this term is greater than this, so I can replace this term by summation over I is going from 1 to up to m probability of ai. So which is equal to summation over I is going from 1 to up to m probability of ai plus probability of am plus 1. So this is by equation 2. Then this is equal to, this is less than equal to, so I can add this term summation over I is going from 1 to up to m plus 1 probability of ai. So we start by this term probability of union over I is going from 1 to up to m plus 1 ai, and we get this. Therefore result is true for all n by mathematical induction. So in this way we prove the extension of Boole's inequality. Similar one more theorem is there. That theorem is theorem number 9. And the statement is, if a1, a2 dash up to an are any n events defined on omega, then probability of intersection over I is going from 1 to n ai is greater than equal to summation over I is going from 1 to up to n probability of ai minus in bracket n minus 1. And the proof of this theorem is, so this also we prove by mathematical induction. So for first condition, for n is equal to 2. So by addition theorem we know probability of a1 union a2 is always less than equal to 1. So this is the probability, and that term is always less than equal to 1. So probability of a1 plus probability of a2 minus probability of a1 intersection a2 is less than equal to 1. Only I write the statement of addition theorem here. Then if I take this term on that side and a1 a2 in this side, so we'll get probability of a1 intersection a2. So if I take this term in this side, so which is greater than equal to, and 1 in this side, so I'll get probability of a1 plus probability of a2, and this term will be minus 1. So therefore result is true for n is equal to 2, because if I put here n is equal to 2, so we'll get a1 intersection a2 is greater than equal to p of a1 plus p of a2 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, so here is 1. So result is true for n is equal to 2. Then we assume second condition. Assume that result is true for n is equal to m. So for n is equal to m, by using statement we will get probability of intersection over i's going from 1 to up to m ai is greater than equal to summation over i's going from 1 to up to m probability of ai minus in bracket m minus 1. So this is my equation number 2. And after that we try to prove the result for third step is to prove for n is equal to m plus 1. So what is your LHS here? Probability of intersection over I is going from 1 to m plus 1 ai which is equal to. So I can split this in terms of equation number 2, that is probability of intersection over I is going from 1 to up to m ai intersection with a m plus 1 which is equal to, so this part I can take as a d, so probability of d intersection a m plus 1. And what is my d here? So d is I is going from 1 to up to m ai, I can take this as a d. And we know result is true for two events, correct? So this we can write as, so probability of d intersection a m plus 1 is greater than equal to probability of d plus probability of a m plus 1. So two events are there, so I can write this minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, correct? So which is greater than equal to, what is my p of t? Probability of d is intersection over I is going from 1 to m ai plus probability of a m plus 1 minus 1. Then by equation number 2, so by equation number 2 I can replace this intersection over I is going from 1 to m ai by whole this term, because this term is less than this term. So I can replace by equation number 2 which is greater than equal to, so what is the right hand side term here? Summation over I is going from 1 to up to m probability of ai minus in bracket m minus 1 plus, so only I replace this term by this, plus probability of a m plus 1 and minus 1. So finally I can write this as, which is greater than equal to summation over I is going from 1 to m plus 1, so this up to m and this is m plus 1 p of ai minus, and if I write this term in this case, so m plus 1 minus 1. So this is my probability of intersection over I is going from 1 to m plus 1 ai. So here m plus 1 is there, m plus 1, m plus 1. So therefore result is true for n is equal to m plus 1. So by mathematical induction result is true for all n. So in this way we can prove the result by mathematical induction. Thank you.